you all are fine and well at your places. This is your art and craft time, and today I am going to make you learn pencil shaving activity. So get ready to do this activity. To do pencil shaving activity, the material you require is pencil, crayons, black marker, pencil shavings and Fevicol for pasting. First of all, draw a girl. To draw a girl, just draw a small circle like this. Then draw two semicircles for the hair of the girl like this. Now draw two sleeping lines on the left side of the face, on the right side of the face, and join it with standing lines like this. You can make lightly curves also for the hairs. For the eyes, just draw two dots. For the eyebrows, just draw sleeping lines. And for the nose, just draw letter V and a smile. For the neck, just draw 1 1 11. Join it. Now draw sleeping lines for the shoulder. Then draw slant lines for the hands like this. Extend these lines. Now draw two standing lines to draw the body of the girl. Join it with sleeping lines. For the frock, just draw slant lines and join it with three curves. For the hands, again draw slant lines simultaneously. Join it with sleeping line. For the hand, you can draw this type of shape. This is the easiest way to draw the shape of hand. For the legs, just draw 1 1 11 1 1 11. Join it with sleeping line. Now draw the shoes of the girl like this. You can draw two oval shapes also and join it with standing lines from the back side. Do the designing on the shoes. After the drawing of the girl, outline it with black sketch pen or marker, whatever you have. After outlining, rub it with eraser. After applying eraser, do coloring like this. Do the colors only in one direction, either left or right or up and down. Do red color in the dress, light pink or skin color on the face and legs and hands, black color in the hairs. Our coloring is completed. Now start pasting pencil shaving like this. Apply Fevicol and start pasting pencil shaving from the lower side of the dress like this. Apply Fevicol and paste the pencil shaving one by one in the dress. While pasting in dress, you will go from bottom to top. Now apply Fevicol on the neck side and paste the pencil shaving to make the design on the top. Now take a black marker and draw straight and slant lines like this to make a tree. You can draw lines here and there. It's a free hand drawing. Now do colors in it. Now apply Fevicol like this on the tree and start pasting shaving like flower. After pasting the shaving, the tree will look like this. Now do some shadings in the lower side with green color like grass. Draw some leaves on the tree with green color like this. Now our pencil shaving activity is completed. Try this at home. Thank you so much.